everyone, welcome back to Mindful Investing. I hope you are all doing well. Before we get into the latest market insights, I want to take a quick moment to highlight the performance of the stock predictions we have made on this channel. We have done 16 stock predictions so far and many of those stocks have delivered strong returns. I'll go over those returns quickly and you can also verify these by going into the stock prediction playlist I have. Alright, starting with First Solar, it's up 52%. Tesla is up 41%. Uber is up close to 24%. Palantir is up 22%, Vertiv Holdings is up 25%, New Holdings is up 18%, Nvidia is up 23%, Mercado Libre is up 20%, SoFi is up 22%, ASML is up 14%, Dutch Bros is up 11%, TSM is up 10%, FICO is up 9%, AMD is up 16%, and Celsius is up close to 10%. So if you are a short-term trader, this might be a great time to rotate profits or rebalance your portfolio a bit. But if you are a long-term investor like me, just enjoy the gains and keep watching those fundamentals. And now let's dive into the latest market trends you should know. First up, the fear and greed index. Right now it's in the greed zone and very soon we might enter into the extreme greed zone. This is a signal to be cautious, not greedy. Market sentiment always shifts from fear to greed and greed back to fear. And when things get too hot, a pullback usually follows. So if you are sitting on some short-term gains, this might be a good time to take a little profit off the table. And we don't know exactly when the next pullback will come, but if I had to guess, maybe in June. So stay alert, be prepared to buy again on the dip, but don't get carried away during the green days. Now let's talk about the margin debt. It came down from $937 billion to $880 billion as of end of March. Honestly, I'm glad to see that. It shows retail investors are pulling back a little bit on margin. And look, I've said this before, I'm not a huge fan of using margin to invest in volatile assets. This market can move sharply in matter of minutes and margin can turn a small mistake into a big loss. So please be careful. I'm also seeing a lot of folks using margin to buy YieldMax ETFs that are offering over 100% dividend yield. But guys, let's be real. These ETFs are losing value fast and if you factor in taxes and broker fees, it's not really worth it. Just be careful. High yield always comes with high risk. And lastly, let's talk about the recession fears. Wall Street is becoming less and less worried about recession lately. We have had some good news. Progress on tariff talks between the US and China, inflation is cooling down, markets are recovering and portfolio values are climbing. That's all great, but let's not forget the risks that are still out there. The US dollar index is dropping and the global debt has now crossed over $324 trillion. That's an all-time high. If this continues unchecked, we could see a burst in the bubble. Maybe not in 2025, but potentially in 2026. So here's my message. Yes, make money, enjoy the rally, but also protect your money. Trim profits where it makes sense, avoid high risk margin moves and stay patient for the next opportunity. That's what mindful investing is all about. Let me know in the comments, what's your biggest concern in the market right now? And if you enjoyed this breakdown, do like, share and subscribe. It helps the channel a lot. Until next time, stay informed and stay mindful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.